back to my channel. So today I'm very excited to show you this year's first purchase, and this was a bit of an impromptu thing, so hear me out. I shared with you a few weeks ago my luxury wish list for 2020. Now realistically, I don't need anything. All I have is lusts, but I also have a long list of things that I might want to acquire during my lifetime, but I know realistically I don't need 5 million bags. I know that I don't have to say it in every video, but it's just, I need to say it to hear it myself. The Onthego tote. I love how this thing looks, but I've never seen it in real life. But I made a pact with myself that I was like stepping away from canvas bags from Vuitton and only buying leather bags and bags that would like go on for years and years and years. So I was minding my own business this weekend, but also doing a little bit of handbag research. And what did I see? Yeah, the Onthego was released in Empreinte leather. I clicked on it as soon as I could because sure enough, a little bit later it was all sold out. I placed the order on Saturday and it arrived today. Today's a Tuesday. I am so happy to show you my Onthego in the Empreinte leather. And ooh. Now I know I'm a hypocrite, but I'm not afraid to call myself out here. I've said many times that I'm getting a little bit like sickly or tired of monogram, of like logo, of like It's true. When it comes to the canvas version, I have my bipolar mood swings when it comes to fashion, but when it comes to this, because again, the lamps are shining bright onto it, but if I tilt it, you know, it looks like from afar, it looks like a black bag. Although yes, you can see the monogram, like who am I kidding? But it's all like one tone. It's like, you know, this is busier than that, but there is just something about that oversized monogram. Is there a word actually? I think there's even a word for, you know, like people are naturally drawn to things that look ridiculously tiny and things that look like ridiculously big. I think it's a psychological thing. I vividly remember reading about it, but maybe it was in a dream. The enormity of the logo and the ridiculousness of it and the fact that it's just so oversized is very appealing to me. Now, I just got it, so this is by no means a review since I've had it only for a couple of hours, but on the inside it looks like a pukey orange brown, you know? It has a zipper pocket here and two loose pockets here where you can put all of your precious crap. Aside from the oversized monogram, the thing that I think is so appealing to people is that this is a structured bag without having like too much structure, if you know what I mean. Some totes are just, you know, totes are either they're like super flimsy or they're like super rigid. And this one is like right in between because it's still mushy. I can see it becoming, you know, like softer with time, but the bottom has been crafted so that it doesn't, does it even have a, there's also like a strengthening thing on the bottom that makes it, that is structured. It looks huge, but medium at the same time, if you know what I mean. I cannot say small because this is by no means a small bag, but in terms of totes, it's not like a ridiculous tote. So you have those handles here, you can wear it in the crook of your arm or just, you know, top handle, beautiful. And then the pièce de résistance is that they have put shoulder straps, but on the inside. So you have nothing dangling around, which is also a huge problem. You have two shoulder straps that are much longer than the Neverfull ones, and you can just carry this on your shoulder. So very much like that. Ever since I sold my Celine luggage in the largest size, I've been like wanting something like a black bag that can carry stuff that is bigger, but that is a little bit more presentable. Like this is not like a Neverfull. A Neverfull, I feel, is extremely casual. That's what I've realized. When I saw this, I'm like, oh, you're like the classy sister of the Neverfull. But at the same time, truly, it is not like ginormous. Like it's not like, oh my God, but it will fit so much and it will not fall over like the Neverfull does. Ooh, I have high hopes for this kid. I have high hopes. She's going to college. She's going to finish everything that there is to finish, and she's going to graduate with honors. I hope, because I can still send it back. Like, I have time to think about it. It is so pretty. I know that I'm ridiculous. I know that I'm sick in my head, but like most of you are too. Like, don't lie. Like, whether you like this or not, it's chill, but at this moment I'm making a pact with myself. I will not buy any monogram canvas pieces anymore. I'm even considering selling my Palm Springs backpack because I'm not using it. I'm trying to use it, but it's just, no, I rather have like a stylish piece that I can rock around. This can be a travel bag, it can be your like shopping bag. And to be honest, in terms of weight, yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it has a little bit of weight to it because it's full leather, but it's like a pleasant weight, if that makes any sense. Let's end up this video whilst I still have a little bit of dignity left. I hope you liked it. If you want to see on how I style it and how it compares to the Neverfull and all that jazz, then please let me know. Oh, one huge detail is that it does not have feet underneath, which, you know, not a good thing. Not the greatest of things, but it is what it is. This is how it's delivered. So yeah, this is a very first, very brisk introduction to this bag on my channel. I hope you liked it, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye!